Well, I'm about to display a jab, and the jab is actually the most important punch in boxing. It controls the flow of action. It sets up your opponent, and it's very, very important. And now I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. Put your guards up, and you shoot, and you step. Turn that right hand. Turn that jab over, I'm sorry. Turn that jab over. And that full knuckle. Same thing, backing up. And there's more than one type of jab. There's also a spear jab. That's here, shoot under, you shoot up. Here, shoot up. There's also an up jab. And that's basically you're baiting your opponent in. You just try to pop his head up. Pop his head up, set him up for the right hand. And that's basically the fundamentals of the jab. You have 3 jabs. Well, with me now, I have Kevin Newman, one of the top amateurs in boxing, and actually who's hoping to make the Olympic team in 2012. It's going to help me display the use of the jab, the various jabs, and also the stance and the footing, which is needed to perfect the jab. Yeah. Double, jab, jab, double, jab, double, jab, jab, double, jab, triple, jab, double, jab. That's the normal jab. That's the jab that's consistent. That's the jab that most fighters use often. That's just a standard jab. I actually want to show you the spear jab. And that's usually used off of a head movement, and then you shoot up. Jab. 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 Jab, jab. And that jab is basically used more or less. It's kind of violent, but it's a jab which Mike Tyson always speaks about, trying to push someone's nose, their bone up in their nose, and that's the purpose of that jab. And actually, the third version of a jab is the up jab. Like I said, that's basically just to set the man, hopefully to pop up his chin and put his head in range to be countered by the right hand. Yeah. That's the third jab, up jab.